Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Lunenburg, local and long-distance movers near me. We have the best staffing and packing supplies to make sure your property is transported safely and securely. Many people do not know the difference between a local distance move and a local move. However, a lot of difference abounds between them. For one, the distance is different. A long-distance move is far and goes beyond 100 miles. It also requires proper preparation and planning for the long-distance move to be a seamless one. At 3 Movers, we offer both services to our clients. We possess the experience and skill to handle your belongings carefully, regardless of the distance. You can trust us to get your belongings to you without mishaps, regardless of how far the distance is. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lunenburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.